What's up, folks, and welcome to another exciting adventure with Family Harmony. In this episode, we're prepping our RV for our summer trip. So come along for the ride. We'll show you tips and tricks and things that we did as a family of three while prepping our RV on a budget. In this episode, we're getting our RV ready for our Summer in the RV travel series, June and July of 2023. Alright folks, for the first things that we're going to do when we're checking our RV to make sure that it's ready for our summer trip is we're checking all the fluids. Going to check the oil, the transmission, the radiator, brake fluid. Also going to give the tires a check. And before all this, we went ahead and dropped the RV off and made sure that the oil was changed. We got a fresh oil change on the engine and the generator, and both of our air conditioners have been serviced. Also, another thing that we want to check is everything on the inside is working. We're going to check all the TVs, lights on the interior, check to make sure that the microwave's working, the refrigerator and freezer are cooling and freezing. We've hooked the RV up to electrical power just to get everything set up and started. We're about a week out from our trip, and so we want to go ahead and get the air conditioning going, get the refrigerator and freezer to start cooling and freezing. Now I'm also going to check to make sure that all the light bulbs, every single bulb in the coach is working. That way, if anything is burnt out, it's just an easy fix to go down and buy a bulb. I'm going to check the AC unit, check it on all sections, make sure that it's turning on and that it's blowing cold. Also going to check all that my turn signal lights are working, every single light on the exterior is working. I check all the turn signals and the marker lights. Having a mechanic that you know and trust is very vital in things that we do with our RV. The shop that we use is Lebanon RV Center in Lebanon, Tennessee. And our family has trusted this shop for years. They're located at 443 Tot Street in Lebanon, Tennessee, which is just a short 40-mile drive east of Nashville. So if you're in the Nashville area or Middle Tennessee area, we highly recommend Lebanon RV. They have an extensive selection of parts. If you are a do-it-yourselfer, you can get just about any part you can think of in their store. Or if they don't have it in the store, they'll be happy to order it for you. They have a full shop where they can do some extensive and major repairs, as well as general maintenance and oil changes and things of that such. That's Lebanon RV Center in Lebanon, Tennessee, where their customers become friends. So prior to this trip, we were looking for tires, and through an extensive search, we found that Discount Tire actually had the best prices of tires for our RV, and surprisingly, they install them as well. So at this point, I now feel comfortable with taking our RV on a road trip after it's been sitting up for quite some time. We've gotten all of the general maintenance done, brand new tires all the way around, and we are ready to roll. So now it's on to the fun stuff. It's time to plan our trip. And trip planning, we're going to look at our first leg of the trip going to Houston, Texas. We're going to start looking at different RV parks around the area and thinking about places we're going to stop along the way. Of course, we never pass a Buc-ee's, we always stop. And we're going to start thinking about the things we're going to do, where we're going to park, find a place for the RV to park, and activities that we're going to enjoy while there. We believe that vehicle maintenance is very vital to maintaining anything that you have that is mechanical to keep it on the road longer and make it last longer. Our RV is an older RV. It's a 2004 Coachman, and we maintain it religiously. Even after every single trip, since we're not full-timers, we will drop it off at the shop and have it serviced after every single trip. So that's one of the things that we do to make sure that our RV is always ready for our next adventure. Trip planning is also a fun thing that I like to do. I enjoy trip planning. I enjoy looking at the different places that we're going to go and things that we're going to do. So along with planning this trip, we're planning on staying in Houston, Texas at the Traders Village Flea Market. So stay tuned for that video coming soon. Until next time, dream big, work hard, and cruise through life with family harmony.